Today we'll be making sesame balls. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To start, we'll need to make a quick sugar syrup. So add in your water and your sugar, give it a mix, then bring it to a boil and remove from heat. Slowly add in the syrup into the glutinous rice flour. It will be pretty thick, so stir continuously. This recipe makes about 30 sesame balls, so if you wish to make less, just reduce the portions. Using your hands, knead and shape the dough. Once it has all come together, add in 2 teaspoons of oil. Then knead again to incorporate the oil. We'll now let this dough rest for 30 minutes. After resting, take out your dough and roll it out. Then divide your dough into 3 parts so that it's easier to work with. Then roll out each piece into a long log so that you can divide it into another 10 pieces. Today I'll be using a lotus paste filling, but you can use red bean or mung bean, homemade or store-bought, whichever you like for your filling. For each piece, place your filling inside and then wrap it and seal. Then give it a roll so that it's perfectly smooth on the outside. Then continue this process until you've filled up all your sesame balls. Once finished, we'll now coat our sesame balls. First, add water to your glutinous rice flour to make a quick slurry. Then place each ball into the slurry so that it's wet and it will pick up all the sesame seeds. Then give it a roll to press the sesame seeds in. Then continue this process until you've coated every single sesame ball. Now it's ready to fry. Heat your oil to 250 Fahrenheit and place in your sesame balls. Gently stir to prevent any sticking. Press down on your sesame balls and apply some pressure so that they puff up even more. Once they turn golden brown like this, they're done and they're ready to be served. And there you have it, your sesame balls. Enjoy!